Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The OnePlus 8T pictured in a case listing has just been leaked. The OnePlus 8T is expected to be announced on October 14 and the phone has been a regular at the rumor mills in the past week. We had a set of renders leaked recently showing a relocated camera assembly, and now a case maker is giving us another look. After a quick debate, we are calling these photos as opposed to renders. It sure looks like the real thing. The phone is placed inside a case made soap bubble case, so judging the exact color is out of the question. But the shot to give us a more detailed view of the camera system, and according to the own leaks, more general representation. In these images you can make out what's what just by the size of the gloss element. Ultra wide angle on the top, the main camera is in the middle, and it's then likely the micro camera below with the depth sensor to the right. If that other leaks is correct on the camera configuration, which it seems to be looking at these pictures, it gets more interesting from there. Like, what's the diamond like ring around what we just called a micro camera, and could it be a ring flash for illustrating your close-up subjects, or it's simply a design asset? We are rooting for the former naturally. Right above the depth camera there is a dual LED flash. That's a flash, alright, but what the element next up is remains unclear. It could well be another dual LED flash with a different light temperature, or it could be an extra sensor that reads light temperature and helps with a white balance. Other than that, we are seeing the OnePlus 8's control schemes had been carried over. The power button and the notification sliders are on the right, whereas the volume rocker is on the left of the phone. The OnePlus 8 rumored specs includes a 6.5-inch of 120Hz of Fluid AMOLED display. That's actually officially been confirmed by OnePlus itself on their Instagram. Snapdragon 865 variant is going to be introduced, and we are not going to see the Snapdragon 865 Plus variant inside the OnePlus 8T. It's also coming with a 65 watt of a rapid charge that also been confirmed by OnePlus itself. So this year it has been officially confirmed by OnePlus itself that OnePlus 8T Pro variant has not been made. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming OnePlus 8T in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.